forgetting to bring a reusable water bottle. Singapore's tropical climate means you'll need to stay hydrated as you explore, but purchasing single-use plastic water bottles can add up financially and environmentally. The city is highly eco-conscious, and many public areas are equipped with free drinking water stations, perfect for refilling your bottle. Carrying a reusable water bottle isn't just practical, it aligns with Singapore's sustainability efforts. Locals are encouraged to reduce waste through initiatives like Bring Your campaigns, and tourists are welcome to participate. Many attractions, like Gardens by the Bay and Sentosa, have refill stations clearly marked for your convenience. Purchasing disposable bottles, on the other hand, not only creates unnecessary waste but also contributes to higher travel costs. Supermarkets and convenience stores often charge a premium for beverages, making it an expensive habit during your stay. By keeping a reusable bottle with you, you're not only saving money but also contributing to Singapore's goal of reducing plastic waste. It's a small effort that goes a long way in preserving this beautiful city for generations to come.